use your editor. I mean, maybe you just shoot a video and HTML that in there, but those are just suggestions. So our policy, our privacy policy has been updated. We cut through the chase, folks, and we just get down, copy it and paste in. This is an HTML. These are the same thing. Well, not the same thing. This is just plain text, depending on how you want to do it. So we just copy the information out of there. We'll go back to the policy page. Boom, we're in there. So let's go ahead and make sure that let's save the draft first. As we tell you, oh man, we want to unpublish that. So let's go ahead and let's hit that update real quick, and we'll look at it. I'm sure we're probably going to have to do some things with the font. So let's preview the page. Okay, here it is. Here it is. So that, folks, that is basically what you want to do here. So keep in mind, we want to go through, and we certainly want to make the fonts, and remember we talked about links and all those types of things. So we certainly want to make that stuff look as good as possible on this page. So we'll go as far as that. We'll go ahead, hit that, and what we're going so sorry, I hit the wrong one. So we'll hit that. We'll hit that, and then we'll lighten these. We'll lighten that to a real link color, and then we'll hit this, and we'll lighten that to a real link color because it looks like it's a link, and we are certainly going to leave their link in there because we certainly appreciate this service that they've rendered to us. So just make sure, folks, that everything when you are going down is in order. And so let's do this, and then we'll check the page real quick. I don't remember. Yeah, we did. So we're going to go ahead and publish this because any changes to this will be minor, and it's ready to kind of roll out. So let's view the page. Okay, and here is your privacy. Here's your privacy policy. So folks, it is just about that easy. It's just about that easy to get this thing done. We saw some gray in here somewhere. Was it right here? Maybe it was right here. We saw some really light gray. Yeah, that looks like it's it. We saw some really light gray in here somewhere. We want to make sure our page pops as hard as possible. We just want it to be right. No, no. I lost a little connection there right quick. No, we don't need that. So now that we have this, we have so far with our, let's go ahead and check our privacy policy real quick to make sure it pops. We're going to go down. Oh, it's right under contacting us. Okay, let's go back. Sorry folks, we got to drill this thing down. We don't want to leave anything undone like that because that is just not the way we do business. So privacy policy, so it's right under the about us. That's right under the contacting us. So we'll just, yep, it sure is light. And then we'll hit this just in case. Okay. Okay, let's update and hope that we got everything going. And there's a few other things we wanted to cover before we end this quick video tutorial. Next up, we're going to create an About Us page. So as you can see, folks, this is the privacy policy is now ready to go. So let's go let's go home. Let's go to the home page. What you will notice here off camera is that we did some changes so far. So basically what we did is, remember we showed you how to upload a background, that you can create something really easy in PowerPoint, saves a JPEG image. We decided to go this direction with our with just the just the background of this particular website. And remember, You just want to remember this is that to do that, you just want to go to appearances, and then you want to go to backgrounds if you got something special you want to upload, and that's right where that is. So remember these settings too, folks. When you upload whatever your image is, you get choose file, you'll upload. You want to center it most of the time, but not all the time. Basically, to get the effect you saw, we have to tile it, because anything else is going to be hidden behind the middle part. Leave it at scroll. Don't worry about that kind of that background color. But that's what that is. And as you can see, folks, our website is starting to really take shape here. We inserted a video here. Remember that. This is our home page. We have home, we have about us, we have our blog posts, which we think we're going to take this down from here and just leave this over here. If we decide to leave this at all, because basically this is a direct sale page. So we got our privacy policy, which we just did. We have our syntax. We had syntax, which is a blog post, which is right there. So no, that's a page actually. So that's right there, and we'll show you a little bit later how to just kind of set up menus with things that you want here. When we go down the side, as you said, as you remember, we told you we were going to put a darker background here, and this is good enough for us for right now. So we're going to get social. These are our social plugs, and then we have our blog posts right here if we leave them. We don't know that we are going to actually do that right now. So let's go back home. Let's go back to the home page. And as you can see, it's starting to take shape right before your eyes, folks. So with that said, we're going to knock this video tutorial off. We're going to come back and we are going to actually do a quick about us page, and that ends your video tutorial on setting up a privacy policy page on your website.